This video will help us to understand better how product on price list um, linked to agency that we have contract with are set up in order to display with the right alteration that goes with it. Because some agency wants some specific alteration to be done on their product. So when an agent will belong to that agency goes online and order the product, when he log in, he's supposed to see the product showing with the alteration that the agency wants to be on that product. So if we open the business partner module here, we will select an agency as like MCF Faribolt, and I'm trying to make it bigger for us. I don't know, it doesn't let me do it, but let me just try to do that differently here. Okay, sorry about that. um so if I click on MCF Faribolt, which is an agency based on the business partner category, we will see that we assign some alteration specification to it. So these are the different alteration specification assigned to MCF Faribolt. So if a customer goes online and if that customer is linked with MCF Faribolt, if that customer select a shirt, we will see the alteration set MCF shirt get assigned to the shirt that he will select it automatically. So now let us see, based also on the department he belongs to, because when he log in, the system knows if he's an officer or no, right? So if we go here on the alteration set, because the alteration set for shirt for MCF Faribolt is MCF shirt, right? So we go on the alteration set. I already filtered it using MCF here under the name field. You will see that we have different sets that we build for MCF. So because it's a shirt, I will click on the shirt here, and now we can see the different alteration assigned to it. So that means he goes online, he orders a shirt, and these two alterations automatically are assigned to that product. That's why here on the mandatory field we have yes, yes. The order is just like an option. So over these two alterations, which are mandatory, the customer can add another alteration. That's his choice. But these two need to be assigned by default because that's how it has been set up under the business partner of MCF Faribolt. If he orders a pen, the alteration will be the one assigned to the MCF pen here, which is the hem straight, right? So mandatory, no. So that means it's not mandatory, but it will show uh, on it will show close to the product and will ask if he needs that hem straight or no based on what is set up on this field. Is it mandatory or no? So now the hem straight alteration, it's linked with product. So if we go on the alteration module and we type hem straight, we will see the hem straight showing here, right? But we will also check the product assigned to it and we see that it hem straight. So that means he goes online, he orders a pen, and the pen comes showing with hem straight because that's the product linked to that alteration. Um, so in conclusion, and also, sorry, I forgot something. On the price list now, because this product will come from this price list. Now, if you ask me about what is the logic behind all of this, how the system will know that, okay, this product, it's the one assigned to MCF variable, how this list will work with the class or the department, I will just tell you that the price list is linked with the business partner, right? Because under the business partner MCF variable, if I go under, I select MCF variable here on business partner, and I go on the customer tab here, and you will see that the price list has the MCF variable price list, right? So now that he knows that, okay, this is the price list, um, how does he check which category the product belongs to? That's the, I think that's the question we have to think about, because for sure we will need to know what category that product belongs to in order for us to have the alteration specification to works perfectly, right? But we already know that the price list has product with different category assigned to it, but how to know that this is the right category that we want to use? I think that's a kind of logic we can implement. um, so this is pretty much it about this video.